Hello friends, I am Privy Imran and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about a question which is given in JEE Mains 2025. And the question is, let f of x equal to limit n tends to infinite sigma r equal to 0 to n tan of x by 2 power r plus 1 plus tan cube of x by 2 power r plus 1 whole divided by 1 minus tan square of x by 2 power r plus 1. Then limit x tends to 0 e power x minus e power f of x divided by x minus f of x is equal to. Now let me solve this question. First of all, to make it easy, let theta equal to x by 2 power r plus 1. Means this value is equal to theta. Then my f of x is limit n tends to infinite sigma r equal to 0 to n tan theta plus tan cube theta whole divided by 1 minus tan square theta. Now, before entering into this question, we already know that cos 2 theta formula is 1 minus a tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, please do remember, in middle we will use. Then my next step f of x will be equal to limit n tends to infinite sigma r equal to 0 to n. In numerator, let me take tan theta is common. If I take tan theta as common, then 1 plus tan square theta whole divided by 1 minus tan square theta. Now, if you observe here, cos 2 theta equal to 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square. But here 1 plus tan square by 1 minus a tan square. Then it can be written as, this value can be written as 1 by cos 2 theta. Now let me write here f of x will be equal to limit n tends to infinite sigma r equal to 0 to n. Let me write in terms of sine and cos. Then tan theta can be written as sine by cos. So let me write sine theta divided by cos theta into cos 2 theta. Now if you clearly observe here I have theta, here I have 2 theta. Then sine theta, this theta can be written as 2 theta minus a theta. Then my next step can be written as limit n tends to infinite sigma r equal to 0 to n. Then sine of a minus b is sine a cos b minus cos a sin b. Let me write here sine 2 theta into cos theta minus cos 2 theta into sine theta whole divided by cos theta into cos 2 theta and again cos theta and cos 2 theta. Now if you observe here, there are some cancellations. Please cancel out. Cos 2 theta and cos theta will get cancelled. Then my next step, limit n tends to infinite sigma r equal to 0 to n. Sin 2 theta by cos 2 theta is a tan 2 theta minus sin by cos is a tan theta. Now if you observe here, what is the value of theta? Here theta value is x by 2 power r plus 1. Now let me multiply 2 on both sides. Then if I multiply 2, then 2 theta value is x by 2 power r. Here 1 2 and 1 2 will get cancelled here. So 2 theta value is x by 2 power r. Let me write here. Then limit n tends to infinite sigma r equal to 0 to n tan of x by 2 power r minus tan of x by 2 power r plus 1. Now let me substitute r value as a 0. Then tan of x by 2 power 0 minus tan of x by 2 power 1. Now if r value is 1, then tan of x by 2 power 1 minus tan of x by 2 power 2. So on, if r value is n, then tan of x by 2 power n minus tan of x by 2 power n plus 1. Now if I try to add all these terms, then there are cancellations. If you observe here, tan x by 2 will get cancelled. Similarly, there are some cancellations. Please cancel out. Then limit n tends to infinite. Now let me write the remaining terms. The remaining terms are tan of x by 2 power 0. It is nothing but tan x minus tan of x by 2 power n plus 1. Now let me substitute n value as infinite. If I substitute n value as infinite, then obviously this term will become 0. Then it is nothing but tan x. So here my f of x is nothing but tan x. Now let me find the question. My question is limit x tends to 0 e power x minus e power f of x divided by x minus f of x. Let me write here limit x tends to 0 e power x minus e power f of x whole divided by x minus f of x. Now let me take e power f of x as a common. Then limit x tends to 0 e power f of x as a common. Then e power x minus f of x minus 1 whole divided by x minus f of x. Hence, if you observe here, this value will be equal to 1. This value will be equal to 1. Then the remaining part is limit x tends to 0 e power tan x. So substitute x value as a 0, then e power 0 value equal to 1. Hence, my answer is 1.